Hello and welcome to Python Chatbots Weekend Hackathon, a 2-day event over the weekend of May 30th and May 31st. So in this event, we're going to be trying to make really interesting chatbots with Python. These chatbots are going to have the following features. They are going to have emotions and mood. They're going to have opinions on a range of topics. They are going to remember previous interactions with people and their opinions. You're going to be capable of pissing them off if your opinions don't align with them. And outside of that, they'll have a really random range of responses. And the goal is to make the experience feel as human as possible. Now, a little bit of a context for where chatbots are today. First of all, Turing's vision was that, a computer would deserve to be called intelligent if it could deceive a human being into believing that it was human. Well, the chatbots today are rather useful, in fact, very useful, but still far away from the point where they deceive us that they're human. A chatbot could help you find the most relevant real estate. It could help you order a pizza in a really easy way. You could even talk to it. When you go to a website, it'll direct you to the page that you're interested in. It'll even direct you to the person that you need to talk to. But again, they really play it, they're predictable, they play it safe, and they do this common function of just narrowing down what you need into a fewer options. And what we're going to do is we're going to try build on that and make it a lot more interesting by adding factors such as unpredictability and emotion to make them more human. So here's a little bit of a summary of the 2 days. On day 1, we'll start with really simple yes/no questions. And we are going to recognize a variety of inputs that are going to qualify. So instead of just a letter, instead of the word yes, for example, we'll look at just letters Y and keywords like that. Then we're going to build in sentiment polarity sensing. So this is a library called TextBlob. And in it, we are going to be able to sense if what the human being types in is positive emotionally or negative. And then chatbot's going to respond to that. So by the end of the day 1, you're basically going to be able to, say hello to a chatbot, tell it about your day, and it'll be able to, sense roughly how positive or negative that was and give you an appropriate response. Now, the magic happens on day 2. And one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to put in a mood variable. So the chatbot you're interacting with is going to have a random mood on a scale of 3 to 10. And when you talk about various topics, if your opinions are close to its, his mood will improve. And if your opinions are far, either a lot better or a lot worse, then you're going to make the chatbot angry. And if you make him angry enough, you'll just leave the conversation. So next, we're going to give it a little bit of a personality. As I mentioned those opinions, a chatbot is going to want to talk about certain topics, and he'll have his own opinion, how positive or negative all of those topics are. Better than that, it will also remember other people's opinions. So when you talk to it about a topic, it'll say, well, I think this, but other people also think that. Next up, it's going to remember everybody it talked to. So it's also not only going to remember the people he talked to, he's going to remember the mood he was in when the conversation ended. And that's going to influence the first interaction that you have with the chatbot. So that is everything. I look forward to seeing you guys in there. Bye-bye.